Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. And hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of the July unrest. The KZN Police Commissioner Nqakula has disputed the testimony by former Defence Minister Mapisa Nqakula, in which she said that 800 soldiers were on the ground to support law enforcement during the July civil unrest. Nqakula, who spoke at the South African Human Rights Commission inquiry on Wednesday, said not only did Mapisa Nqakula lie, she got personal when he called her out. Nqakula has disproved claims that there was no plan to inform the deployment of the army that had to come to boost their work during the July violence, or that he was reluctant to share security information. He has accused Mapisa Nqakula, who testified this week, of lying under oath. Nqakula said the minister said it under oath to Ramakhoba that she only started acting on the 19th. The 17th July, I was with the minister and the minister was never anywhere during the period. So it is a lie under oath, this one. The briefing of the president was just by myself. Mapisa's sworn statement stated that Nqakula did not step in to brief the president during his visit to assess the aftermath of the unrest, a claim that Nqakula denied. The commission said it will consider re-inviting the former minister to address Nqakula's testimony against her, adding that if any witness is found to have lied to under oath, they may be liable to a fine or imprisonment for up to 6 months. Well, if these allegations are true that Nqakula spoke about, the old woman needs to be held accountable. Ramaphosa has incompetent staff and it seems like they want to cripple the economy and the ANC. The ANC people need to wake up and smell the coffee and vote Cyril out. That's my opinion. What do you think about this one, people? Please leave your comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye.